The big news development, a clear indicator by the Prime Minister that he's doing his best to introduce the Lokpal Bill in Parliament. But as far as Anna Hazare is concerned, there is no let-up on the pressure. Today at a massive rally in Bangalore, Anna hit out at Home Minister Chidambaram and sounded out yet another ultimatum.
We will make every effort to pass the bill in this session. We are working day and night to give shape to the bill, and it's my hope that by tomorrow the bill should be we should be able to bring the bill to the cabinet, and thereafter we will be ready to take it to the parliament. But once it is in parliament, it is in the hands of parliament. We don't know what could happen.
The Prime Minister's clear message, hours after Anna wrote another letter to him, doubting the government's intention to pass the Lokpal Bill in the current session of Parliament. In his letter, Anna says the Lokpal will be toothless if it does not have the CBI under it. But he says he's sure the Prime Minister will not disappoint the people of India. The letter comes on a day Anna upped the ante in Bangalore to galvanize public support for the Lokpal Bill.
अबे हम सब मिलकर सरकार को कह रहे हैं, लोकपाल बिल लाओ नहीं तो चले जाओ.
Despite the Prime Minister's assurances, Team Anna does not seem too convinced that the bill will be passed in this session.
Also depends on what kind of bill is introduced. It's very, very vital.
Freedom Park in Bangalore saw a good turnout of supporters for Anna Hazare even during his earlier protests in New Delhi. Today was no different. Interestingly, Karnataka has not had a Lokayukta for months now, with the BJP state government and the governor unable to decide on an ideal candidate for the post.
Team Anna says Anna will watch the House proceedings on Lokpal from the Visitors' Gallery in Parliament, and some of his team members may join in. Yet another letter from Anna Hazare to the Prime Minister, yet again accusing the government of betraying him. This, when the Prime Minister himself made his intention clear in the all-party meet that he would like Lokpal Bill to be passed in the current winter session. And the parliamentarians assured that they will put in long working hours to discuss the bill. But the Parliament session would get over in a few days from now, on the 22nd. So the clock is ticking. Reporting from New Delhi with Shamim, Anchal Vora, NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.